Hey guys, it's Sam here with WTI. I have to tell you about this super cute book called More Bears. So this is such a cute story. It's all about this author who starts telling a story about the book he's writing, but there's no bears in it. But he hears that there's little children saying there needs to be more bears in it. So as you go along, it talks about these different bears that appear. More bears, more bears, until eventually the author gets fed up and the bears have to leave and they say goodbye, and then in the end there are no bears in the book. So it's a very quirky, cute book. The illustrations are really nice. And it's just a fun book to tell with your little one. It keeps them on their toes and they get kind of excited about the story and where it might head. So definitely recommend this. You won't be disappointed by it, and that's my point of view.